Alright, hey guys, it's kind of raining right now, and it's very dark, and I just found this right here, and it's a bird, a dead bird. I'm so sorry for the lost bird. I think one of its moms has killed it, or eaten it, and some kind of animal. I also found this animal right here, whatever that is, and I can tell someone has killed the mom. Look at all these feathers. I was so freaked out. Did the mom kill the little egg? Oh wait, what's this thing? What the heck is that? Ew. Ew, that's a bigger worm. I think it's that though. I'm gonna step on this little worm right here. So like, ugh. Ew. Oh my god, dude, in real life, this bird, it looks so weird. OMG, I think that was the beak. And look, there's a little feather. Oh my goodness, how sad. Well, thanks for watching. That is gross. That is just, ew. Hey guys, it's me, Sadie. Alright, well that's gross. Bye. Thanks for watching.